Welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you've been here and then you're wondering why you're here because we're going to empower you to do things at home that you normally wouldn't do at home. If you can afford it, you can send your stuff to a machine shop and get it done. But if you're home and you like to do stuff, and you might not know because you don't have any experience of what a machine shop is or anything, but you could actually, by watching these videos, do a lot of the stuff yourself. Who's going to watch the show? The people that want to learn how to do it themselves, or if no other reason, see how it's done, so when they get their stuff back, was it done the way that, you know? So we're going to give you both sides of the machine shop world. The proper way to do it with the proper machines, but yet there's an alternative way. How to do it at home yourself. Both sides of every process, from a cylinder head to the block, from a flathead Ford to a Toyota 4Runner. Thanks for checking out my channel. I hope you liked it. I hope you found something interesting. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to get back to work, and we'll see you next time.